Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a drone that packs quite a few features, especially considering its size and target audience. This is the brushless motor drone with a 1080p camera. Right off the bat, the fact that it has brushless motors is a big plus, usually meaning more power, efficiency, and durability compared to brush motors often found in this category. Let's talk about the camera system. It features a front lens with wide-angle HD high-definition Wi-Fi capability, and there's also a bottom high-definition lens with optical flow. What's neat is you can switch between these camera angles. They've also added a servo pan tilt design, which helps increase stability for your shots, and EIS, electronic anti-shake, is included to make those photo lines clearer. So, it's trying to give you a more stable and versatile camera experience. For flight stability, it has a height-fixing function with altitude hold mode, which is great for beginners or just getting steady shots. The optical flow, positioning, and fixed-point function also contribute to stable flight, especially indoors or at lower altitudes where GPS might not be available. Battery life is always a key factor, and this drone comes with an ultra-long endurance 3.7V 1,800 mAh battery. The description says this allows for continuous use for longer periods of time, which is promising for extended flight sessions. Control is primarily through an app on your mobile phone. This opens up several smart features. You get one-button return, which is handy if you lose orientation or connection. Headless mode is also available, making control simpler as you don't need to worry about the drone's front direction. Standard controls like ascending, descending, forward, backward, and left-right side flight are all there. Beyond basic flight, it offers hand gesture photography, which is a fun way to snap pictures without touching your phone. We already mentioned the optical flow, positioning, and brushless motors. A significant feature, especially for newer pilots or flying indoors, is the obstacle avoidance head assembly. It's designed to stop when encountering obstacles without colliding with them, adding a layer of safety. One interesting point is the size and weight. The body weight is just 130g. This is important because it can circumvent national aviation control regulations in many places, meaning you might not need to register it or follow stricter rules compared to heavier drones. The connectivity uses 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, aiming for more stable flight and more convenient control. While the skill level is listed as intermediate, features like headless mode, altitude hold, and obstacle avoidance make it quite accessible, especially for the younger end of the target audience, kids aged 8 to 12, as well as adults looking for a fun toy or gift. It even comes with a carrying case, which is a nice bonus for portability, along with a screwdriver, battery, camera, integrated, and spare blades. The ability to customize the route by drawing on the app is another cool feature for planning specific flight paths. Overall, it seems like a feature-rich package for its category, aiming to provide a stable flight and decent camera capabilities with some smart functions thrown in.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.